Ever wondered how ginger helps soothe a sore throat? Well, let's unravel this spicy mystery together, shall we? Ginger, a zesty herb widely used for cooking and healing, harbors several medicinal properties that can offer relief from that pesky sore throat. Its magic lies in potent bioactive compounds known as gingerols and shogals. These substances have anti-inflammatory properties that can help manage the discomfort of a sore throat by relieving inflammation. So, when you consume ginger, these compounds go to work, soothing your irritated throat. But that's not all. Ginger also boasts antimicrobial properties that wage war against the infections often responsible for sore throats. Think of it as your body's secret weapon, helping to fend off unwanted invaders that can cause you discomfort. Now imagine coupling these anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties with antioxidants. Yes, ginger is also rich in antioxidants, which offer healing benefits to your body. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, further assisting your body in its healing process. Beyond its healing properties, ginger can also boost your immunity. It can help kill viruses that cause sore throats, acting as a protective shield against bacteria and pathogens. With its myriad of health benefits, ginger could potentially serve as a natural alternative to antibiotics. You can consume ginger in many forms, from raw ginger root to ginger lozenges, ginger tea, powdered ginger, or even ginger supplements. Adding honey to ginger not only softens its flavor, but also provides additional healing benefits. So to summarize, ginger with its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties can help manage sore throats. It soothes the inflammation, fights off infections, and provides healing benefits. Plus, it can boost your immunity, protecting you from viruses and bacteria. Whether it's raw, in tea, or as a supplement, ginger might just be the natural remedy you need for that sore throat. Remember, however, that more research is needed to fully understand the effects of ginger and honey on sore throats. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. So the next time your throat feels scratchy, reach for some ginger and let it work its healing magic. Hey there! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We love sharing helpful tips and tricks just like this one, and with your support, we can continue to do so. So if you want to keep learning and improving your health, click that subscribe button and join our community. Thanks for watching. Remember, your health is your wealth.